Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying a condo in Washington, D.C., one of the biggest things you need to understand before making an offer is condo fees, sometimes called HOA fees. A lot of buyers focus only on the mortgage payment and forget that condo fees can significantly affect your monthly costs and even your loan approval. So today we're breaking down what condo fees are, what they usually cover, what red flags to watch for, and how condo fees impact affordability in D.C. Let's get into it. First, what exactly are condo fees? Condo fees are monthly payments made to the condo association or homeowners association to help maintain and operate the building and shared spaces. In Washington, D.C., condo fees can range anywhere from $200 a month to well over $1,000, depending on the building, amenities, age, and services included. So what do condo fees usually cover? That depends on the building, but common items include water and sewer, trash removal, building insurance for common areas, exterior maintenance, roof repairs, landscaping, snow removal, hallway cleaning, elevator maintenance, front desk or concierge services, gyms, pools, and shared amenities, reserve funds for future repairs. Some buildings may even include gas, heat, or internet. Now here's something really important. Higher condo fees are not always a bad thing. A lot of buyers automatically assume lower fees are better, but that's not always true. Sometimes a building with very low condo fees may not be saving enough money for future repairs. That could lead to special assessments later, meaning owners suddenly have to pay thousands of dollars out of their pocket for things like roof replacements, structural repairs, or elevator upgrades. That's why reviewing condo documents is such a critical part of the buying process. When buying a condo in DC, you want to review the condo budget, reserve study, meeting minutes, financial statements, pending lawsuits, planned repairs, rules and regulations. These documents help you understand whether the building is financially healthy or if there are potential problems coming. Another thing buyers should know is that condo fees directly impact affordability. Your lender includes condo fees when calculating your debt-to-income ratio. So even if the condo price seems affordable, a high condo fee can reduce the amount you qualify to borrow. For example, a $450,000 condo with an $850 monthly condo fee may actually cost more monthly than a $500,000 condo with a $300 fee. That's why buyers need to look at the full monthly payment, not just the purchase price. Now let's talk about amenities. In DC, buildings with luxury amenities usually come with higher condo fees. Things like rooftop decks, pools, concierge services, fitness centers, package rooms, valet parking, and security staff. All of those features cost more money to maintain. So the question becomes, are you actually going to use those amenities? If you never use the gym or pool, it may not make sense to pay hundreds more every month for them. Older buildings can also have higher condo fees because maintenance costs are higher. Historic buildings in DC may require more repairs, updated systems, and ongoing upkeep. On the other hand, newer buildings may have lower maintenance initially, but could still have higher fees because of luxury service. Another thing buyers ask all the time is, can condo fees increase? Yes, absolutely. Condos can go up annually due to inflation, rising insurance costs, maintenance expenses, utility increases, or reserve funding needs. That's why it's important to review the association's financial history and see whether fees have been stable or increasing rapidly. And finally, before buying any condo in DC, make sure the building is approved for your financing type if you're using FHA or VA financing. Some condo associations are not approved, which can affect your financing options. At the end of the day, condo fees are not just an extra bill, they are part of the overall investment. A well-managed building with healthy reserves and proper maintenance can actually protect your property value over time. If you're thinking about buying a condo in Washington, D.C., Maryland, or Northern Virginia, and want help understanding condo documents, monthly costs, or which buildings may be the best fit for your goals, reach out to us at 4J Real Estate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.